teachers and the interested students. Indradhanush. Kuvempu, the great poet and novelist, pointed out that students should not be a gunny bag in which paddy is stored. There should be a wet field where paddy is grown. So students must adopt all methods of learning. Reading and writing are the two hallmarks of an ideal student. To promote these skills, school had taken an initiative to publish a school bulletin, Indradhanush. Articles were written by the students in the classroom without the help of the parents, and the teachers are accepted. 2 issues were already published and the third one is under progress. This is ably carried out by our English teacher, Mr. Jose MJ, with the support of the editorial board. Extracurricular activities. Indraprastha believe and practice activity-based learning, thereby it follow the holistic approach of education. Classical dance, classical music, karate, yoga are also incorporated along with the school curriculum. Mr. Manjunath Bhatt, Vidwan Venkatakrishna Bhatt, Mr. Vijesh and Mr. Praveen Rai are taking training for the interested students in the given time. This year, 5 students in classical dance and 3 students in classical music were attended junior examination conducted by the department. Apart from these activities, we are also preparing the students for Ramayana Mahabharata examination, drawing grade examinations, Hindi examination, and the competitions on value education books given by Shantivana Trust Dharmasthala under the able guidance of Mrs. Supriya, Mr. Praveen Varnakutira, Mr. Sadashiv, Mrs. Prafulla, and Mrs. Shashikala. Gratitude is the memory of heart. Now it is my pleasure and duty to express my gratitude to the president of today's function, Ms. Danya Alva, System Engineer, Infosys Limited, Mangaluru, and Master Abhilash PG, CRM Consultant, Capgemini, Bengaluru. I should thank the management, staff, parents and children for their cooperation throughout the year, without which we could not have achieved so much success in all fields of education. My thanks are due to the department officials, neighboring heads of the institutions, members of the social organization, managing trustee of Sri Lakshmi Venkatamana Temple, press reporters and president and members of the Alumni Association for their wholehearted support. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
ನಡೆದು ಬಂದ ಹಾದಿಯ ಹಿನ್ನೋಟದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಡೆಯಲಿರುವ ಹಾದಿಗೆ ಮುನ್ನುಡಿ ಬರೆದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆ. ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಆಕಸ್ಮಿಕವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟ ಗುರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಆ ಗುರಿಯೆಡೆಗೆ ಧೃತಿಗೆಡದೆ ನಡೆದ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮದ ಫಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸುಪ್ತ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯ ಪ್ರಭೆ ಪಸರಿಸಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಸದವಕಾಶದ ಸದ್ಬಳಕೆಯಾಗಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಸಕ್ತ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ಕಲೆ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಲವು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಲೂಕು, ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಂಚಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾಕುಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಉತ್ತೇಜಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆದ್ಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡಲಿರುವವರು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕುಮಾರಿ ಹರಿಣಾಕ್ಷಿ ಇವರು.
First of all, I would like to announce top scorers of 2013-14 SSLC batch who have brought lots of appreciation and glory to our reputed institution. Now, I request the president of today's program, Ms. Danya Alva, to hand over the special prize to the students. Please welcome Ajay Amtange, top scorer in the last SSLC examination, scoring an aggregate of 614 out of 625. He has scored 124 out of 125 in Kannada, 97 in Hindi, 99 in science, 100 out of 100 in maths, social. He was also the best outgoing student in the year 2013-14.
Mohammad Tabish Hassan stood second in the grand total, scoring an aggregate of 630 out of 625. He has scored 124 out of 125 in Kannada, 99 in English, 100 out of 100 in Maths. Please welcome him to the dais.
to this, there are 4 more top scorers in different subjects. May I request the following students to receive the prize. Ashwini M. She scored 124 out of 125 in Kannada. Angel Princey Kyar scored 97 in Hindi. Asha A scored 97 in Hindi. N. Pratik Nayak scored 100 out of 100 in Social Studies.
And 9 bulbuls completed their Chaturtha Charana and Hirak Pank exam respectively, which was held at District Scout and Guide Training Center, Pilikula, Mangaluru. It is equal to Rajya Puraskar exam. May I request those cubs and bulbuls to receive the prize. Vaibhav Prabhu, Kishan P.A., K.A. Prajwal, K. Charan Raj, B.K. Vikas, Likhit K, Prajwal N, Sriharsha Rao, Pradyot B. Rai, Amogh S.B., B. Gagan Shenai, Muhammad Afla, Abdul Basityam, Gagan V.H., Sushant P., Nirupam Bangera, U. Ritvik Pai, Anvita S., Ashika M., Vaibhavi K., Rishika B.V., Yukta G., Yashasvi A. Rai, Sinchana B. Shetty, Ilfa K. and Rishita C. Sanil.
Cubs and 6 bulbuls from our school participated in the national level Cub Bulbul Utsav, which was held at National Youth Center at Gadpuri in Haryana. We are happy to announce that we were the only school represented our state at this event. May I call upon the following Cubs and bulbuls to come to the dais. Ritesh R. Suvarna, A.U. Aniket Kumar, M. Shetty, Srivatsa Shetty, Ritesh M, Aniruddha Mannaje, Abhishek VK, Abhijat Ray, Nandita Bhatt, P.A. Kirtana, K. Varshini Rai, Harshita G, Anvita S, and Rishika B.V.
Following Scouts and Guides completed their Rajya Puraskar exam, which was held at State Scout and Guide Training Center, Kondaji, Davangere. I welcome the following Scouts and Guides to receive the prize. Yes, Satvik. Yes, Satvik. Yes, Ritvik. Dhanya Prasad AJ. Gautam JB. U. Abhishek Nayak. Lavan Kumar B. Rakshit Nayak. Aaron Shane Morris. Avinash VK. Srivaraye. KV Jeevit. Chandanyam. Dikshit Salian. Likhita GK. Likhita GK. Tazmiya. Vaishnavi J. Avani S. Avidnya SG. Prapti Jain. Tanmaya K. B. Chayashri. Disha BR. P. Vishika and Diksha A.
Now I request the chief guest of today's function, Mr. Abhilash PG, to give out the prizes. Verbattle is a national level debate competition held every year to promote and to develop a healthy debate among the students. Maithili M and Anusha K were selected to the state level. Now I request them to receive the prize from the honorable guests.
Please welcome Swati K from 10th standard. She has secured first place in taluk level and selected to the district level in essay competition conducted by Shantivana Trust, Dharmasthala.
Please welcome Kriti Kailar of 6th standard to the dais. She has secured first place in the district level Pratibha Karanji Yoga competition, which is the final stage for the primary section. Aditi M. Shanay got first place in Hindi allocation, as well as Renisha Mariam Bastikar got first place in clay model in Taluk level Pratibha Karanji. May I request them to receive the prize.
Sports and games inculcate essential values of life like cooperation, coordination, tolerance, leadership, team spirit, and so on. 3 students from our school represented Taluk to the district in sports and games. May I call upon them to come to the dais. Chandan RK participated in the district level throw ball and volleyball match. Nazwan Ahmad and Ahmad Afwan represented Taluk to the district in shot put.
Students of our school enacted a science drama called Koneyaga Baradu at district level. May I request all the drama artists to receive the prize from the guests. Apeksha Shetty, Tejashree Gopal Gowda, Risha Kiran PT, Aditya M, Nikhil P. Ladwa, Ashika Shetty, Samiksha Shetty, Inchara M.
It's the time to recognize the individual champions of Art Fest cultural competitions. From primary section, individual championship goes to Kriti Kailar of 6th standard from Charity House. Please welcome her to the dais. She got first place in action song, first in clay model, first in rangoli, first in kolata, and third in folk dance. Please welcome Anusha K. from Honesty House from high school section. She secured first place in English elocution, first place in Kannada elocution, first in patriotic song, first in folk dance, first in fancy dress, and second in debate. The overall championship in all the cultural activities goes to Nobility House. I request the house captains Tushar M. Shetty and Naima Mariam to the dais. To Honesty House. Please welcome the house captains Mohammad Akram and Sri Lakshmi Shetty to receive the rolling sheet.
Six students bagged the individual championship in sports. May I welcome to the champions to the dais. From primary section, Nazwan Ahmad from Nobility House. He got first place in shot put, discus throw, and second place in 600-meter race. Fatimat Shifa from Honesty House. She first in 200-meter race, 400-meter race, and third in 100-meter race. From high school section, individual championship goes to Ahmad Afwan from Tooth House. Please welcome him to the dais. He first in 100-meter race, 200-meter race, as well as in shot put. Manish Kumar from Nobility House. He got first place in 400-meter race, high jump, as well as in long jump. Likita GK from Charity House. First in 400 meter race, 800 meter race and 1500 meter race. Aparna Bakade from Nobility House. She is first in 100 meter race, 200 meter race and shot put. Overall championship in sports and games goes to Honesty House. Please welcome the champions Akram and Sri Lakshmi to receive the rolling shield. Runner-up goes to Charity House. I request the house captain Bharat and Likita GK to receive the prize. Welcome Ajay Amtange, top scorer in the last SSLC exam, scoring an aggregate of 614 out of 625. He has scored 124 out of 125 in Kannada, 97 in Hindi, 99 in science, 100 out of 100 in social studies. He was also the best outgoing student in the year 2013-14.
Mohammad Tabish Hassan stood second in the grand total, scoring an aggregate of 613 out of 625. He has scored 124 out of 125 in Kannada, 99 in English, 100 out of 100 in Maths. Please welcome him to the dais.
I welcome Angel Prinsika to the dais. She secured 97 in Hindi, highest scorer in Hindi. I welcome her to the dais.
Congratulations winners and participants. Keep going, strive for excellence, do wonders in the coming days. Thank you guests for distributing the prizes. Thank you one and all.
Visible way of acknowledgement and appreciation. Every year, a student from 10th standard is recognized as the best outgoing student for his or her exemplary performances during the school education. The award is given keeping in view the academic as well as non-academic areas. We are glad to announce that Ms. Anusha K of 10th B deserves this Best Outgoing Student Award for the year 2014-15. May I request Ms. Anusha K to come over here to receive this award. May I request our correspondent Shri USA Nayak to present a memento as a token of recognition. Ms. Anusha is one of the gifted students of our institution. She puts consistent efforts to reach up to the perfection even if it is insignificant. She has good leadership quality. She is polite and pleasant in her approach. She is equally good in both curricular as well as co-curricular activities. She has been honored as Suvarna Pratibha Individual Champion for her outstanding performance in Pratibha Karanji and also felicitated during Kannada Rajyotsava for her exceptional talents in various fields. She has completed her Rashtrapasha Praveena in Hindi and Rashtrapati Puraskar examination in guides. She represented our state in national levels in NCSE and INSEP, winning medals. Dear Anusha, let your talents get flourished further and bring you name and fame. All the best. Now it's the time to listen to few words from the best outgoing student. May I request Ms. Anusha to speak on this occasion.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and all those who have gathered here. First of all, I would like to thank the management, principal and all the teachers for selecting me as the best outgoing student of this year. Success lies not in the results, but in the efforts. Being best is not at all important, but doing your best is all that matters. This is what I have learned from this school. Today, if a girl Anusha is standing in front of you facing the huge audience as the best outgoing student, it is because of the contribution of my school, Indraprastha Vidyalaya. There is a saying in Kannada, Guri Munde, Guru Hinde. It is true in my case. What a child needs the most for its development is correct guidance, opportunity and encouragement. This school has fulfilled all these basic requirements. Every child has a hidden talent in it, but finding out the talent and providing a platform to showcase it is more important. In my case, this school has played a major role in fulfilling this task. In all spheres of my schooling, Indraprastha Vidyalaya has supported me a lot. It has given me an identification today. It has laid a basic foundation in my life. My school always said, studying is a need, but co-curricular activities are for passion. When you balance both, you will be a perfect student. It has taught me many skills and many values also. Along with the required skills, one need to be a good human being to succeed personally and professionally. This is another inspiring lesson that my school has taught me. My teachers have put so much effort in making me capable and confident. Here I would like to mention one incident. When I was in 8th, I had participated in NCSC which was held in Varanasi. There, due to some clerical problem, my presentation was cancelled. I was so disappointed and I started crying. When I informed this matter to the teachers, they consoled me and they instilled confidence in me. All the teachers have played a major role in bringing me what I am today. Of course, teachers scold, but it's for our goodwill. Last year, when revision classes were conducted, I was lazy to study and came to school without studying. Next day, I scored less marks in Kannada test and ma'am scolded me. Now, whenever I feel lazy to read, I remember that particular incident which pulls me towards the right track. I'm really lucky to have such teachers. I should not forget to thank our Nayak sir and the management for providing a best school, though it is a rural area. It is a boon for all the students who wish to achieve success in their life. Also, this school has brought in the best of the available teachers. I am grateful to Nayak sir and the management for providing all the support for me. Each of my friends, my juniors, my seniors have contributed a lot in my success. I was never worried whenever I was absent to the class because I knew my friends will help me in coping up. I am grateful to all my friends from the bottom of my heart. I would also like to thank my father, mother and my sister who always said, climbing the ladder of success with your hand in pocket is not important. Success with an attitude is achievement. Be an achiever. I am grateful for their daily support and encouragement. To conclude, I am grateful to the Almighty for selecting me among the millions of kids in this world to be the student of this institution. Once I step out of the large iron